What's up?
Guys, you're rocking with the hottest DJ.
Check it out.
DJ Destoni.
Nothing beats this Jet holiday.
Naupo, nandiyan po ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran? Mataas na pader, pinapatikiran, nakapilang mga mamahalin sa sakyan. Mga bantay na laging gulong-gulong, wala namang kasal pero marami yung nakaparong. Lumakas man ang ulan ay walang tutas ang bukong, mga plato at kutsara na hindi kilala. Ang kanin ay simputin ang gatas na nasa kakulat. Kahit na hindi bastos sa lamesa ay may hamunan. Sarap siguro manirahan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila ay dito mo rin matatagpuan ang tao na nagmamay-ari ng isang upuan. Na pag may pagkakataon pinag-aagawan, kaya naman hindi niya pinagkakawalan. Kulang sa iyak na sisigawan.
So, ang Hyundai
You're rocking with the hottest DJ.
Check it out.
DJ Destoni.
Kasi ang hangin guys, pagka nagdidinig kasi ito sa
Anything you say, them girl, I do it like it's that. I make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Real bad girl, I get nasty. I do whatever I want, just but I'm a bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. If I get the booms and them start falling along. Yeah, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than the law. I see they got taste anyway, you still a boss.
And if you hear me so that go to your back, go to your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the place to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Again, we have to maintain like 30 PSI on that
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Yung mga drivers out there na pagka naglulong drive kayo, make sure na check niyo yung tire pressure. Lalo na yung walang mga tire pressure monitor system. Ito kasi siya, ito kasi yung
You're rocking with the hottest DJ.
Check it out.
DJ Destoni.
down. ko dito guys, pagka before ako karga ng hangin is I have to remove the valve covers, no? Para to minimize the time that it wasted the pan, because when you put it in the €1 on the machine, then it will start to count down. Then to reduce the time, you have to remove all the time bulbs. Because some of these bulbs are really like so now we're gonna put €1 in here. So this is how you operate this machine. So you're gonna put €1 in here. €1, €2, depends up to you. If you have more money, so I have only €1. Okay, and then choose air. So we have bars and we have PSI. So we just choose PSI, which is in the relay. So we just press 30 PSI is the maximum of the ordinary car, ordinary car. 30. You will notice here, you will hear the sound when it is reaching to 30 PSI. Okay, that's 30 PSI. And we go to the other side. This is now the passenger side. Okay, we put 30 PSI. As you can see, but we can still hear the sound. Okay, that's 30 PSI now. And then go to the rear. Pump up the air, so we have to put like balance load with the system. So, put 30 as well. It is good if it is digital yung ginagamit ninyo para okay, we hear already. Okay. Okay, we have the sound. Driver side rear now. We put some 30 again. 30 PSI as required by the manual. Obviously, kung wala kayong idea sa mga tire ratio, you can always refer to the manual. Okay. Again. Okay, narinig natin yung sounds. 30 PSI already. Okay. Once it's 30 PSI, meron pa tayong 2 minutes. So gagamitin natin yung 2 minutes sa ito, vacuum. Okay. So tapos na natin yung karga ng hangin, no? And then we go na general run the car. bago ipakit ang dulo, may tinatawag na bidding process. The bidding process after the like 6,000 kilometers, you have to return whatever mass, even if it is like it's not coming up to 6,000 kilometers, but you have to report your wheels kasi may tinatawag na bidding process sa kanya.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your beer fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Looking back shorty, always a mention. Say me not keeping her much attention. She was there through my
wheels like
I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my darling. Closer than my lips, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling, angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need, baby.
You're a queen and that's how you should be treated. Girl, you never get the loving that you needed. With a left, but a call and you needed. Taking a pleading, mission completed. And I said that all night is the program. I get up to miss around with your emotion. But the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long and just to never be wrong.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling, angel. We do this because we are going for a long drive or cruise country.
To your villa. Since the sun of witness all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Just secure the situation not to cause a winner. You can't do a player, you can know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And she claim her, you tell her baby no way.
But she got me on the counter. She saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even got me on camera. She saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams get louder. She said until it was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom.
So guys,
I tried to keep her from what she was about to say. I said she